everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. Welcome. I just wanted to show you this lovely top. I completed it on the weekend. And this is a design by Kate at Bitch and Stitches. Isn't it cute? Look at those sleeves and the back. I love it. I love it. All right, so I'm going to link her tutorial below. It's a very good tutorial. It's easy to follow and so fast. You know, if I didn't have to do other regular life stuff, I would have been finished it sooner. But I mean, it didn't take long. Once I started working on it, it worked up very quickly. And yeah, I love it. All right. So, like I said, her tutorial is, it's really good, easy to follow. And she has a chart for different sizes. And, but really, yeah, oh, she shows where to try it on to make sure it's going to fit you. And I actually went with the large size just to be on the safe side. I may be a large now, I don't know. Between a medium and a large, I think. But it doesn't take a lot of yarn either. I was thinking, this is the one I used, and I was thinking I was going to have to dig into the third ball. Well, I didn't. And I color controlled. So I didn't even use 2 balls to make this for me. And this is Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel Cotton Nutmeg Nibbles. I love their names of their colorways. Yeah. So what else? All right, so this is 142 grams, 335 yards. So I used less than 670 yards. Yeah, that's really good. It's 100% cotton. It's a lightweight 3 as well, so that's really good. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. So this is from Hobby Lobby, and I actually got it delivered right to my house in Canada. Not, well, yeah. So I will link that video as well up here or down below. So yeah, I used less than 2 of these. I'll show you what I have left. Did I give you all the info? It suggests, what does it suggest? Oh, a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, but I used a 5. So that would make the yarn go a little bit further too. Yeah, so here's what I had left after color controlling. So just these little bitty bits. Well, actually there's quite a bit there when you think about it. You know, I could make something like a head, like a ear band. I don't know, something. What do you guys suggest? So yeah, two cakes is all it took, even with color controlling. So very, very happy with that. That's amazing. And I just, you know, thank you so much, Kate, for an amazing tutorial. And it's easy to follow. You're easy to understand. You can see what she's doing as she does it. Yeah, great tutorial. I totally recommend it. All right, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.